Energy is fire. Conversation is right. If you stay tonight, baby, I might let you say, oh, I'll be. Want you here, need your mind in these sheets. Completely intertwined in our minds, yeah. Tell your future like a sigh.